Here are 4 ways you can help your kids build strong decision-making skills. Children love when they get to have control over something, whether it's the snack they get with lunch, the book they get to read, or the shirt they wear. Building small decisions into your child's day not only encourages a sense of independence in your child, but it also sets him up to learn how to make decisions. When your kids are small, their choices should be small. Then as they get bigger, the decisions they face can grow as well. This way, in time, children can learn how to handle the larger, more complicated choices that come their way. Of course, we all want our children to make good decisions. We feel a sense of pride, as do our kids, when they make the right decision about something. However, it's also essential for children to make a few wrong decisions along the way. These wrong decisions are how your children develop and learn important decision-making skills. Communication is vital. One of the best ways to help your child learn how to make good decisions is always to keep an open line of communication. If you face a decision of your own, talk it through out loud so your child can see how you go through the decision-making process. Teach your child how to think ahead a little bit by doing some role-playing. Ask your child questions like, "What would happen if you did this?" Then have your child examine the other side of the equation and ask her, "Now, what would happen if you did this instead?" These types of questions help your child realize she needs to think about things from different angles before making a choice. Play games. Another great way to build decision-making skills is to play strategy-style games with your child. Even a simple game like memory can help your child learn how to make decisions. Let your child make wrong decisions. Another important aspect of teaching your child how to make decisions is actually to let your child make the decision. Mind-blowing, right? If your child decides to do something, and you know she made the wrong choice, you need to let her see how things play out. This is one of the most critical parts of decision-making, yet it's also one of the hardest. But, when your child makes a wrong decision, it probably teaches him a lot more than if he always makes the right decisions. All of us learn through trial and error. All of us make mistakes. What's important is that we learn from our mistakes. This is what decision-making is all about. Key takeaways. Give your children small, controlled decisions when they are young to teach them how to make choices. As your child gets bigger, let her make more significant decisions. Keep an open line of communication with your child and talk with her about the decisions she needs to make. Play games that involve a strategy to help your child hone his or her decision-making skills. Let your child make wrong decisions so she can learn from them. Helping your children become critical thinkers is one of many ways in which you can set them up for future success. For more great tips and helpful content, check out ThinkJr Creations. You'll find an excellent collection of stories, music, and videos that can help your child build essential life skills like confidence, gratitude, and more. When your child can develop these qualities, it sets her up for building a strong character that can lead her to future success.
If you liked our videos, please like and share them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updated videos.